Personally, I think knowing Chinese, it's very good because like I can communicate with Chinese people anytime. I can get more money when I work as a translator, and I can also teach more people.
Mashindano haya yana umuhimu kwa sababu kwanza yanawasaidia kupata umahiri wa kuzungumza lugha ya Kichina, lakini pili yanawajengea mtandao, kujenga ushirikiano baina yao, na tatu ni kuhamasisha kuendelea kujifunza lugha na utamaduni wa Kichina.
The purpose is to provide a platform for the Tanzanian students to understand and then to communicate each other, and so that we can deepen the friendship between China and Tanzania. And also provide a linkage for the students and then the company, so that we help them when they graduate, they can be employed.